Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy that you're here. I just thought that maybe I can bring you along for the week. We have a few things planned that might be fun to show you, I guess. We have a new member of the vlog. This is Kevin. Say hi, Kev. This is the new member. We had a bit of a busy weekend, so he is very tired. But that's Kevin. He's like a custody dog, I guess. He was my husband's and his ex-girlfriend dog. So now we look after him every few months for a week or two. And we love him and he's part of the family. And this week he's with us. I need to drop him off in my husband's office because they are dog friendly and we wanna see how he handles the office atmosphere and see if he can bring him more often. So I'm just gonna drop him off for a couple of hours and I need to go and run some errands in the city and then I'll pick him back up and then take him home. He is a bit of an overreactive dog and we are a bit scared of how he's gonna manage it. Hopefully, because he's so tired, he'll just pass out underneath the desk or something. I am gonna take him to a park just before and throw the ball around just to make sure that he is a bit calmer, and then we'll take him to the office. The main goal for this week is that I want to do way more reading than what I've been doing. I think that I'm finally getting out of a bit of a book slump. It was one of those book slumps that it's not that I'm not reading, but I'm not really enjoying reading as much. I think that I'm kind of getting out of that mindset a little bit and I'm actually enjoying the books that I've been reading. So I just want to take advantage of that and read as much as possible. Hopefully we'll get tons of reading done. We'll go on tons of walks with Kevin. Just chill stuff this week and I'll just take you along with me. We're back home after a very successful day. Kevin is doing amazing in the office, so I just left him there and Finn is just gonna bring him home when he comes home later today. Yeah, we're very impressed. Apparently there's another dog in the office as well that's also a cockapoo, and he's been a bit annoying because Kevin doesn't like other dogs coming into his personal space, and we respect that. And this other dog is, I think, a bit of a puppy that just wants to play with Kevin, and Kevin is not having any of it. Every time that the other dog comes into his personal space, obviously Kevin gets a bit angry. So that's the only issue, but apart from that, he's just been chilling. I think he's a bit overtired, and I think that he has like stomach aches at the moment because he didn't eat breakfast this morning. So he's a bit low energy, which is a bit sad, but it's also good because then he's not being very hyperactive in the office. So I came home alone and I did stop by the shops. I did buy a lot of things and I want to show you guys what I got. Finn and I have been on the mission to make our bedroom a bit more cozy. We love our living room and our kitchen area. I think we've put a lot of energy and love into making this space very nice, but we haven't given any energy into our bedroom. So we've been trying to make it a bit more cozy, but not too cozy that we want to be there all the time, if that makes sense, because we love being in our living room. So today I got some new bed sheets that are a bit lighter in color, because right now we have like dark blues and dark greens. I love those colors, but I do think that they're a bit heavy for a bedroom. So I got these pillowcases, which are like a light maroon kind of color because it's not really pink. Really cute. And I got the matching fitted sheet. looks like that. All from John Lewis actually. We are treating ourselves with John Lewis. And I also got this fitted sheet, light blue, and this duvet color that's light green. And I just thought that any combination would look really cute with these three colors. We also have an IKEA duvet cover that we love. It's this same green but with stripes. And yeah, I just thought that with that one and then all these fitted sheets and the pillowcases would look really cute. So that's what I got for the bed. Oh, and I also got this pillow. I thought it was really cute, and then it has the same colors that the sheets have, so hopefully it'll match perfectly. And then I did stop by Zara. I'm going on a summer holiday in like a month, and I really wanted some basic summer clothes. I think I have an amazing wardrobe for autumn and winter. I think that I've dedicated a few years to getting just like really basic, timeless pieces, but I don't put the same energy in my summer clothes because we don't really have a summer here. But because I'm going on a holiday, I wanted to just spoil myself a little bit. So I got this basic shirt, tank top-ish in brown, and I got the same one in white. I got these trousers that are like linen trousers that are brown as well. And they are actually the most comfortable trousers ever. Like I put them on and I was like, yeah, immediately, yes, I'm gonna get them. I'll probably wear them this week and I'll show you how they look. I'm obsessed with them. I feel like I'm just gonna use them so much. Going again with the brown color. I got some brown shorts as well. They are the mom shorts. And I am obsessed with mom everything. I'm obsessed with mom jeans and I'm obsessed with mom shorts. I just love how comfortable they are, and as you can see, I'm obsessed with brown at the moment. I also got these two t-shirts, very basic. This is in black, and then this one is like in beige. It's not completely white, it's more off-white. They are extremely soft. Quite basic stuff, but like I said, really good basics work for me very well. But yeah, that's the haul. And right now, I just want to get into my comfies and read my book for the rest of the afternoon and wait for Kevin to come home again because I miss him. It's the next day and I'm here with Kevin. Kevin, say hi. Say hi. Yeah. Go. I just finished work for the day and I'm making some chili for tonight. Actually gonna go watch The Devil Wears Prada 2. He's too cute, man. So I'm just making chili and then I'll probably eat it before I go and leave it for Finn when he gets home tonight. Well, a little doggy in the office update. Yesterday when Finn and Kevin arrived, Kevin was so overtired. He had the zoomies, but in like a very desperate way. He couldn't settle down. We had to kind of force him to go to bed to rest a little bit. Now he's feeling much better. He has been sleeping all day today, which is quite good. I think that he needed some recovery sleep. I just love him so much. He's such a good companion in life. For right now, while my chili is bubbling away, I want to read my book. I've been reading Everything is Tuberculosis and I love it. I love it so much. It's not what I expected at all. I actually don't know what I expected from it. Obviously, I read a lot of John Green growing up, and I think that because he has that background in fiction, he's able to write non-fiction like a story, and it's so easy to read, but it's also so fascinating. When I'm reading at night next to Finn, I need to stop and read him like multiple sentences because it's just fascinating. I'm just so fascinated at how much tuberculosis has been intertwined with our society, with our humanity. It's been along for so long that John is able to pinpoint tuberculosis in all these turning points of history. And I'm not the type of person that would read this type of book, and I'm finding it so fascinating and incredible, and I think everybody should read it. So I'm gonna sit down and binge read this book and finish my chili. Everyone, I have Kevin here. Are you being a bit spoiled today? Do you need more attention? It's the next day. I went to a workout class, I've got ready, I blow dry my hair like you saw. I actually have wavy / curly hair, but recently I've been air drying it or blow drying it because it's so high maintenance having curly hair, and if I blow dry it I don't need to kind of worry about it for a few days, so I like to do it. Today I'm gonna take this monster, yeah, you, to the beach. We're gonna go for a bit of a drive and I'll take him to a big beach where he can run around. Okay, let's try this again. He's gone up there, but I think he needs to go out and get his energy out a little bit. So like I say, we're gonna go to that beach, walk around, play, and I need to be back here in the afternoon because I have a doctor's appointment. So we'll just go for a couple of hours. Maybe if he'll let me, I'll read my book there for a little bit. If not, it's okay. I'll have some quality time with him. Let's go! Good boy! we are back from the beach. It was such a sunny day. Kevin was the happiest dog. My hair, man. We had so much fun. I think that I've never thrown the ball as much as I did today. He loved it. We all live in Kevin's world, and if he wants me to throw the ball 100,000 times, then I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna make lunch. I'm making some mushroom toast because I have some leftover hummus from my birthday party. And I'm also gonna cut a tomato and put it in some olive oil, salt and pepper. While I make lunch, I wanted to talk about Devil Wears Prada. I don't know why I can't say it. I like it for what it represents. Obviously, it's such an iconic movie. It was a fun watch, but I was cringing for most of the movie. I loved Miranda. I think that she carried the whole movie. I love her personality, but I don't know, like for most of the movie, I was like, is this gonna be over soon? Because it seemed longer than what it was actually. I just don't want to ruin it, so I don't know how to explain this, but there is a love romantic relationship subplot, and I found all that side story so boring and so out of the blue. Like, I didn't see the purpose of it at all, and so cringy. I don't know if I'm being a bit harsh. I don't think I want to watch it again. I watched the first one multiple times. I would like to watch that one again soonish because it's been a few years, but I don't think I want to watch the second one ever again. Yeah, very, very cringy. I also got a book because I went to Portobello Bookshop, which is one of my favorite bookshops in Edinburgh. I got The Writers and Lovers by Lily King. I'm gonna move you so that you're not next to the mushrooms getting fried up. It's not a series, but it is interconnected, and apparently one of the characters that is here then is the main character of the new book. I could be wrong, but I think that's the thing. And it's also set in Massachusetts, and I'm going to Massachusetts in the summer, so I might save it up so that I can read it there, or I might just read it now to get me in the mood to go to Massachusetts. I love the cover. I love pink covers. I was gonna get lunch out, but then I got the book. So I was like, oh, I'll just eat lunch at home, girl math. If I got a book, then it's basically free. I was gonna eat lunch anyways out, but now I'm eating at home. So I kind of saved money. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish my lunch. I'm so hungry. And then I'm gonna do some work, and then I'm gonna go to my doctor's appointment. I'll keep you updated on my plans for the day. I still have decorations from my birthday party because Finn's birthday is on a few weeks, and we decided to keep the decorations on throughout May just because it's both of our birthdays, so maybe we can just do a whole month of celebrations. But it's Friday now. I got my period yesterday and I was out for the count. I was on the couch for the whole day and just rot. Today we need to have a bit of a productive day because Kevin has a groomer's appointment this morning, and it's quite far because he normally lives quite far with his real mom, because I'm just a stepmom. So I need to drive all the way there for his groomer's appointment, and it's kind of near a garden center, so I think I'm just gonna pop in. They have like a coffee shop there, have my coffee, read my book, and then wait until he's done, and then probably I'll take him to another beach. I think that this vlog is just gonna be us going to play on beaches, but I'm not complaining, I love it. I'll do that, and then I need to come home because I have an eye test appointment this afternoon that I've been procrastinating for maybe like a year now, and I really need to go and check my eyes. I finished everything but tuberculosis yesterday and I loved it. I don't want to say more about it because I think that I've already been ranting about it for way too long. And I started Yours Truly by Abby Jimenez. I've already read that book, I think when it came out actually, and I love it. I love Abby Jimenez. I haven't read the new book because I've heard that it's a bit icky. It's like the boyfriend's best friend trope, and that's not for me, so I think I'm just gonna skip that book. But I'm rereading Yours Truly because I feel like I've read very either sad books or very like deep thought-provoking books, and I need something light. I need a goofy time that I can just binge read, and I love rereading books. So I decided to reread that one because I actually want to reread just for the summer. In the summer, I want to read this one before I read just for the summer because they're kind of interconnected in a small little way, you know what I mean? For right now, we need to go get the boy his haircut. Wish me luck. Like a different dog. Yeah. We're back home. Well, I'm back home because I had to drop off Kevin, so he's no longer with us. They decided, because I don't really have a say on his life, they were supposed to pick him up tomorrow, but because I was so close to where he lives, they asked me just to drop him off at their house today because they come back from their holiday this afternoon. So I dropped him off and I miss him so much, and to distract myself I'm gonna clean this flat because if you have a dog, you know, like no matter how much you clean it, it's always gonna be a bit dirty and disorganized. So I'm gonna distract myself by cleaning. I'm gonna wash the sheets in our bed and I'm gonna put the new sheets on, so I'll show you that. I'm just gonna wipe all the surfaces, vacuum, mop, everything. I want it to be spotless. So come on, let's clean. later, I completely forgot to end the vlog and I was just editing it and I realized that I haven't said anything since Friday. But we had such a lovely week. Obviously, Kevin makes everything so much happier and exciting, and I miss him so much. And I'm just here to end this vlog. I'm so happy that I got to share my week with you, and I'll see you in the next one.